Okay, so first off, I'm wearing this enormous blanket because it's negative 200 outside right now. But what I have going on here is my little test for the distortion. Try to fix the distortion and warping and whatnot for the 8mm SLR Magic 8mm lens. I have a hold on, let me flip it. Okay. So what I have is I printed out this grid, and it is perfectly straight lines and whatnot, and I made sure that it is the exact distance all the way across from the edge of the table, and then I have the tripod sitting up over it, and if I were to bloop, boop, that is what I'm going to be working with. Now, as you can see, it is already, like, it already looks super warped. Like, look at the distance and how the thing, why am I so shaky? What's going on here? I'm holding this camera perfectly still and my hands are not shaking. Anyway, it just looks super warped. So I'm going to take this picture now and then I'm going to throw it in Lightroom and I'm going to see if I can't fix the distortion. I would love, oh wait. All right, I forgot I can actually make the legs flatter. So I've got it, as you can see, these green little bars show that it is perfectly level on the sideways and on the up and down. So this is technically a perfectly level picture. You can already see the distortion and some vignetting and stuff. And it does look a little smudgy over here, which means there's probably something on this lens, but that shouldn't matter for this test. So I'm going to take this picture, going to take it into Lightroom, and I'm going to see if I can't find out the right settings for fixing the distortion. Hello, peoples. If you hear noise in the background, it's my dog, blah, blah, blah. All right, so this is, what did I just say, dog? Okay, so this is the image of the paper, the test paper that I took, and right away I can see that I did focus it, but this looks horrible. So what I am going to do, first off, well, actually, this is what it looks like normally straight out of camera, and this is after I edited it, and I think the distortion fix looks usable here. I think this looks nice and natural. From where'd it go? It went away. I don't know why it does that, but before, after, and let me show you how I fixed it, I guess. So I'm gonna go up here and just make it a little brighter. It was there, blah. Just throw that on there, blah. And clarity, because this is a sexy picture. Just kidding. Okay, so we're gonna go down here, and it's a super simple fix. All I did was go down to lens corrections, and I tried out a bunch of different things to try and get a match to this and got nowhere near it. So I go over here to distortion and pick this up to 20, 21-ish. And then I also found a fix for vignetting. Vignetting is up to you if you want it fixed or not, but I just brought this up to about like 80 or so, and I think it made it look nice and natural for a lens correction. And that's about it. That's all I did. And you can see it looks flat like it's supposed to. This over here looks really rounded and distorted and stuff, and it's ugly. So let me show you. Where is it? This is a picture I took long ago with that wide angle when I first got it, and I liked it. I never bothered to try and fix the distortion because I think the distortion helps in this, but you can come here and click that, and then my dog's throwing a ball everywhere. Then bring that up to 20-ish. And that looks technically more natural than as to what it looked like when I was there. It does kind of look like the trees are warping inward a bit, but that is actually how they look like when I was there. But I think for the purposes of this picture, I'm going to keep it with the distortion because I like the way it looks better. But that is more natural, and a lens fix or lens correction fix that I found for this lens, the SLR Magic 8mm f4 for micro four thirds and drones and stuff. So thank you for watching, and toodaloo.